going, baby. It's going.
Speed 1.2 kilometers per second.
We're going to separate the stages and begin the second stage ignition.
Come on. Okay, where's the... Okay, this is bad. Potentially bad. It's standing up. It's standing up. It's fucking there. Yeah, man.
Oh my god. Yeah, look at this. Look at it. It's just sitting there. Look at that.
What? Holy smokes, man. It's kind of amazing that this window of opportunity is open for life to go beyond Earth. And we just don't know how long that window is going to be open. The thing that gets me most fired up is that creating a self-sustaining civilization on Mars, it would be the greatest adventure ever in human history. It would be so exciting to wake up in the morning and think that that's what's happening.